Good morning, children. Hope you all have finished chapter 6 and 7. Today, in this video, I am starting chapter 8, that is Great Himalayas. This is the first geographical region among the 5 main physical features of India. The Great Himalayas. The northern mountains includes the Himalayas, the Karakoram range and the Purvanchal or northeastern mountain ranges. So first of all, the Himalayan range. The Himalayas extend from the state of Jammu and Kashmir in northwest to Arunachal Pradesh in northeast. Here you can see in this map. This Himalayan range starts from northwest Jammu and Kashmir and it goes to Arunachal Pradesh in northeast. This is all Himalayan range. This massive chain of mountains not only stretches across many states of India but also 5 neighboring countries of India. The Himalayas have their great expanse stretched to Bhutan, China, Nepal, Pakistan and Afghanistan. It is a gigantic mountain range that separates Indian subcontinent from Tibetan plateau. It is the highest mountain range in the world with several peaks which remain snow covered throughout the year. It is the mountain range with several peaks which are highest and which are covered with snow throughout the year. It is stretched across 5 neighboring countries, and in India it stretches from Jammu and Kashmir in northwest to Arunachal Pradesh in northeast. The word Him means snow and the word Alya means abode. Abode means home. So in Sanskrit, the word Himalaya stands for abode of snow, means a home of snow. The Himalayas are truly abode of the snow as they have many snow-covered peaks and glaciers. It is covered with peaks and glaciers which are covered with snow. The Himalayas are divided into 3 parallel ranges. First one is known as Greater Himalayas or Himadri. Then second is Middle Himalayas or Himachal. And the third one is Outer Himalayas or Shivalik range. This you can see here in this map. This is the Himadri range. Then middle one is Himachal. And then outer is Shivalik range. So it is known as the Greater Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas, the Outer Himalayas. Greater Himalayas means Himadri range, Middle Himalayas means Himachal range, and the Outer Himalayas means Shivalik range. Now look at the given map of India and list the names of the states covered by the Himalayas. So here we can see that Jammu and Kashmir is there, then Himachal, then Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, some little bit parts of UP also, some Bihar in outer range, but mainly we can say Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. These states are covered by the Himalayas. Now we will study in detail different ranges. First is Himadri. Himadri or the Greater Himalayas comprise all the major peaks of the Himalayas. The average height of the Himadri range is 6,000 meters above sea level. This is the average. The highest peak is Mount Everest at 8,848 meter above sea level, which lies in Nepal. And the highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga, which is 8,598 meter above sea level. The peaks are covered with snow throughout the year. So children, here you have to remember that the highest peak of Himalayas is Mount Everest, which is 8,848 meter above sea level, but it lies in Nepal. The highest peak of India is Kanchenjunga, which is 8,598 meter above sea level, and it lies in India. So when the question comes, name the highest peak of Himalayas in India, then the answer will be Kanchenjunga, and the highest peak of Himalayas only, then the answer will be Mount Everest. Hope I have made myself clear. Remember this, underline these lines and mark them. Now, therefore, this area has no growth of plants and trees. The rivers that flow throughout the year, like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Satluj, etc., are born from Himadri. These rivers come out from Himadri. They arise from moving sheets of ice called glaciers. What are glaciers? The moving sheets of ice are called glaciers. As the sheet of ice moves lower, it starts to melt. As it comes downward, it starts melting. This melting ice adds water to the streams, which become big rivers when they reach the plains. So now you have come to know that how rivers are formed. These moving sheets of ice called glaciers, they move down. As they move down, they start melting, and when this ice melts into water, it comes down in the form of a stream and then rivers to the plains. Now, Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay were the first to climb Mount Everest in 1953. On 23rd May in 1984, Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to reach the world's highest peak. So in the next video, we will start with Himachal range. And here the conditions is very harsh. The climatic conditions are very harsh in Himadri region. So very few people live here. They wear heavy fur and woolen clothes, and agriculture is not possible in this area. I am talking about Himadri region. Now in the next video, we will start with Himachal range. So children, go through the chapter, go watch the video again and again, then you will understand it. Okay, thank you.